Don't let yourself be controlled by three things: people, money, or your past. Thousands of candles can be lit for a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. Ignore the drama, ignore the hate, ignore the pain. Find peace, find happiness, find yourself. You fall in love with the people who make you love the person you are when you are around them. Read that again. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Nothing better than the sound of the heavy rain while you are falling asleep. Shine like the whole universe is yours. Everyone smiles in the same language. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Never wait, life goes faster than you think. One day you will look back and realize that you worried too much about things that don't really matter. Deep conversation with the right people are everything.